Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Citroën Berlingo here. I'm just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen on the centre of the dash. So make sure your ignition is turned on. And from here, you're going to press the time in the top right hand corner. Then go to options. Then set time and date. And then from here, press on the time. And then the time at the top there. So this one's 14:45. You can click on it. Do what you need to do. So 14:45. And then once you set the correct time, press OK. And then also you can change the daylight saving time when the clocks change. Turn that on and off. And that's it.